Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna talk about how you can easily install apps from the App Store without asking for the Apple ID password every time on your iPhone or iPad. It doesn't matter if you are on iOS 14, 15, or 16. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, here you can see when I want to install app. This app is asking me for the Apple ID password. So how to get rid of this issue? Just go back to your home screen, and for first method, here just open up settings app and then tap here on your Apple ID banner name, and then here tap on media and purchases, and now tap on password settings, and from here you have to turn the toggle off for the required password, and now tap on done and go for the second step. For that, just here in the settings menu, scroll it down and tap on screen time. Again, scroll it down here and tap on content and privacy restrictions. And now from here, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. And here are two options: required password for always required and not required. So here tick at not required and go back, and here very important step, turn to go off for content and privacy restrictions here, and then go back and again try to install the app here. Here is the app, tap on install. As you can see, app installing right now without asking for the Apple ID password right now. So that's it, guys, for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.